Pikul Erawan elephant, the exquisite art of the hidden harmony technique. In a moment of delicate precision, skilled artisans breathe life into pure metal, crafting a masterpiece that carries the soul of Thai heritage. Thus, the story of the Pikul Erawan elephant was born, a legend gracefully woven into the fabric of Thai artistry. Inspired by nature and ancient craftsmanship, intricate pikul flower motifs are meticulously engraved onto the elephant's form, symbolizing strength and prosperity. The intertwining vines and tendrils harmonize with the structure, representing the seamless connection between past and present, reflecting the profound depth of Thai craftsmanship. Made from 99.99% pure silver, carefully selected for its exceptional quality, every delicate line and pattern is brought to life through the hidden harmony technique, a perfect blend of art and mastery. The Pikul Erawan elephant is more than just a bag. It is a legacy of craftsmanship, a true embodiment of Thai artisanship, created for those who appreciate the beauty of authentic artistry. A hidden harmony of art, woven into every delicate detail.